A homopolar motor is a DC electric motor that generates a constant circular motion. Because the polarities of the magnetic field do not change, it is called a homopolar. A permanent magnet is affixed to one of the DC power supply's terminals. The circuit is completed by connecting the second terminal to the magnet with a conducting wire. A homopolar motor creates rotational movement because of what is known as a Lorentz force. In electromagnetic field, the Lorentz force is created by the interplay of electric and magnetic forces. A moving charged particle, such as an electron carrying the current in the wire, will experience a force in the presence of a magnetic field. The direction of the force can easily be determined using the right-hand rule.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to show you how to make a homopolar motor. Basically, we need a copper wire just like this, and I've already shaped the copper wire into this shape so that it is easier for the copper wire to rotate on the battery. A neodymium magnet and also a AA battery. So what we need to do is just attach the AA battery onto the neodymium magnet and just simply put the copper wire onto the battery. Sorry about that. Okay, basically it will spin, the copper wire will rotate on the battery on anti-clockwise motion. So basically it is a simple DC motor. What happens if we just flip the battery on the other way around and just simply put the copper wire on the battery? So it will spin on the clockwise motion, so it will rotate on an opposite direction. So thank you, that's all from me. I hope this video will be amazing and fun for you to watch. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For the conclusion, from this experiment, the main findings are to understand the concept of Lorentz force and to provide a magnetic field that will interact with the magnetic field induced by the current in the wire. The lessons learned from the experiment are motors are designed to transfer electrical energy into kinetic energy, and homopolar motors work by the interaction of the electric current produced by the battery and the magnetic field. Besides, we are able to know that the magnetic field will create a torque and the current carrying component of the motor through the Lorentz force.